Hi, Randy here from Randy's Digital Impact.
First of all, thank you for watching and listening to this today. If you feel value in what I uncover for you today, here's what you should do. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video.
Here's what I want to talk about today. Tips for finding your purpose later in life. If you're retired or even just past the first flush of your career, you might think you've missed the boat on finding purpose in your life. The truth is, you're probably in a better position than ever really to work out what matters and what you want out of life. And even better, you're likely to have all the skills you need to focus on your life's purpose and go for it. Here are tips to get you started. Number 1, set your mindset. The first thing to do is to declutter your mind of all the preconceptions others have put there about what is and isn't possible. No matter what your age, you can always choose to make your life different. Society tends to bundle anyone over a certain age into the beige cardigan, stay-at-home, cautious slot, but you certainly don't have to accept that. Warren Buffett is 88 years old and still one of the most successful business people. Picasso didn't retire doing nothing, but he painted until he dropped at age 92. Look around you and see that some of the most energetic, passionate people are older than the conventional retirement age. Number 2, work out your heart's desire. Do some work really to find out what you want. Take the money and social expectations out of the equation and dream big. Do you want to sail around the world? Lead art tours of Europe? Branch out into art or writing or wellness? Become a yoga teacher? Learn an instrument or join a choir? Do some brainstorming and work out what makes your heart sing. Number 3, plan and strategize. Approach this as you have many times before as a project. That is good advice for anyone, but the advantage of age and experience is that you know what to do. Having worked out your big goal, sit down and work out what you need to get there. What skills do you already have? What training or courses might you need? Whether it's writing that novel or retraining for a new career, take the time to plot out a plan of action and a time frame. Set some milestones and allocate resources, and you're off. No matter what your age, taking the time to sit back and find your life's purpose has been shown to have real benefits for people's mental and physical health. Purposeful adults live longer and healthier lives and deal better with stress, whether it's a career change, a new passion, or sharing your life skills through volunteering.
Well, thank you for watching and listening to this today. If you feel value in what I uncover for you today, here's what you should do. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video.